Hello and welcome to Tech Magnifier. Today we have the latest Samsung Galaxy S5. Let's go to its specs. It is 3G compatible. It has two quad-core CPUs which run simultaneously. So it is a octa-core processor. It is water and dust resistant. It acts as a smart remote. It has a 5.1-inch Full HD Super AMOLED screen. The camera is 16 megapixels with autofocus and 2 megapixel front camera. It supports GPS and GLO-NASS, and the battery is 2800 mAh. So let's open the box. So inside we have a white colored Samsung Galaxy phone with a dotted back, and here's the quick start guide and some other information leaflets. A white colored travel adapter, a 3.5 mm earphones which has a mic and volume controls. Also is the similar colored USB cable which is quite long. The 2800 mAh battery and some spare earbuds. So let's put the battery inside. The phone is water and dust resistant, so it needs to be fully covered, but the back cover is still open, can be still opened, and the battery is accessible. So here we have the micro SD slot and the SIM slot. So the micro SD card will be placed. So the micro SD card will be placed above the SIM card. Let's put the battery inside. As you can see, after closing the back cover, the phone will be completely sealed. The USB port is also covered with the flap. Here we press the power button. The phone has a fingerprint sensor here and a heart rate sensor at the back with two LED flash and a 16 megapixel camera. The screen is full HD. The volume buttons are placed at the left side and the lock button is placed on the right. The camera can record ultra high definition videos, and the fingerprint sensor can be used from the S Health app, which keeps all your fitness data. Overall, the phone is very light and the body is made out of plastic, but still it feels very strong. Samsung has priced this phone at Rs 51,500 and is available across retailers in the Indian market. Thank you for watching the video.
For latest news and reviews of gadgets and games, visit www.techmagnifier.com.